Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Jhal Muri. So for this we need puffed rice, onion, mustard seed oil, green chili, roasted gram, boiled and chopped potato, red chili powder, black salt, chaat masala, fried Bengal gram, coriander leaf, nylon sieve and puris of pani puri and puris of sev puri. So let's start making Jhal Muri. So take a bowl, add 50 grams of puffed rice, add 2 finely chopped green chili, mix it, add 2 teaspoons of roasted gram, mix it again, add 2 teaspoons of chopped boiled potato, add salt to taste, mix it continuously, add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, as hot as you want, add pinch of black salt, pinch of chaat masala, mix it again, now add 2 teaspoons of fried Bengal gram or chana dal, mix it, add half onion, mix it again, now add coriander leaf, add nylon sieve, and now to create jhal, add 3 teaspoons of mustard seed oil and mix it very well. Now add 2 puris of pani puri, crust and add it. Crust it and add it. Now transfer it to a serving plate. Coriander leaf, onion and crushed puris. Little fried Bengal gram, little nylon sieve, and your famous Jhal Muri is ready. Thank you.